Here's how to export any clip as a GIF directly inside Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you the exact steps to take any part of your video project and export is a GIF. Let's get right to it. Here we are in Premiere Pro and we have this video right here, and what we want to do, we want to export is as a GIF. The first thing that you want to do is to select the area that you want to export. I want to export full timeline. In your case, if you want to export a specific part, go to the first point, press I, and go to the end part, let's say here, and I will press O. So what will happen if I go to export? Now from here you will select a name for the file. I will just name it GIF, and we have to select the format, which is GIF. If you want to change the video size, you can do it by unchecking this box. If you want to change the size individually, you can just unlock this. We can select the frame rate right here. I will just keep it as it is. Everything else should be okay. We are ready to export. But here is the thing. If you select this area right here and you want to export only this area, then you want to have source in and out selected. If you want entire source, then you will select entire source. You can also check the marker. It will show the area that you are going to export. Let's hit export. Here is our GIF. That's it for today. I hope this helps, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.